Farms have transformed into vibrant landscapes of innovation, where old traditions harmonize with the cutting-edge technologies that are now reshaping agriculture before our very eyes. As we witness this agricultural revolution, we must recognize the significant role that these advancements play, not just in farming efficiency, but also in fostering sustainability and enhancing the quality of food produced for a growing global population. This blending of modern science with age-old practices invites us to reimagine our relationship with the food we consume and the environments that produce it. Today's agriculture is a breathtaking fusion of tradition and technology, marking a pivotal moment in how we cultivate the land. Picture the once quaint barn transformed into a high-tech command center, where farmers sit among screens displaying vital data, enabling them to make informed decisions on the fly. This new era of farming is not just about getting a greater yield, but understanding the intricacies of soil, crops, and livestock through the lens of sophisticated technology. By marrying innovation with the artistry of farming, we are not only improving productivity, but also nurturing the planet for future generations. Farms today are no longer just about the simple cycles of planting and harvesting. They are dynamic ecosystems where traditional practices meet groundbreaking technology. From the moment a seed is planted until it reaches our tables, every stage is monitored and optimized. Whether it's through AI algorithms predicting crop health or drones surveying vast expanses, farmers are now equipped with tools that allow for a greater understanding of their environment. With this knowledge, the modern farmer becomes an adept steward of the land, ensuring that agricultural practices not only yield the best produce, but also contribute positively to our ecosystems. The synergy of technology and nature is paving the way for a sustainable future, where every bite we take is a testament to human ingenuity and ecological awareness. Imagine walking through a serene landscape where the sounds of nature harmonize with the whirring of drone rotors and the gentle hum of automated devices. It's not just a farm, it's a futuristic living laboratory where scientists and farmers collaborate, innovating solutions to age-old problems. Here, every inch of soil is monitored, every animal's health is tracked, and the potential for breakthroughs in agriculture is limitless. This integration of technology into everyday farming practices is shaping a new narrative, one where food security and environmental mindfulness walk hand in hand. We find ourselves at the threshold of a new agricultural era filled with hope and promise. As we delve deeper into this brave new world, let's meet the innovators and pioneers who are not only embracing these advancements, but are actively shaping them. Each one brings unique insights and experiences that highlight the potential of technology to change agriculture for the better. Their stories serve as a testament to a future where smart farming practices not only advance efficiency, but also foster a connection between consumers and the source of their food. These collaborations illuminate new paths for rural communities, ensuring that as the tech landscape evolves, so too does the vital relationship we hold with the land and each other. Together, they promise a future where farming and technology coexist harmoniously, nurturing our planet and its people. As we continue to explore these advancements, it's essential to grasp how they're influencing crop management. Modern tools now allow farmers to not just plant seeds, but to actively monitor them throughout their growth journey. Precision agriculture is redefining our approach, offering insights that were once unimaginable. For instance, farmers can utilize real-time data on weather patterns and soil moisture to make timely watering decisions. This crucial knowledge leads to maximizing yields while conserving precious resources, ensuring that the land remains productive for generations to come. The era of guessing is over, and farmers are embracing a data-driven approach that paves the way for sustainable practices across the industry. As we venture further into this technological landscape, let us meet the robotic shepherds redefining herding practices. In stunning regions like Australia and New Zealand, machines equipped with cutting-edge sensors and AI technology are taking on tasks traditionally reserved for skilled human shepherds. These robotic entities possess remarkable abilities to traverse challenging terrains, keeping livestock in check while gathering essential data to enhance productivity and animal welfare on the farm. Gone are the days of relying solely on whistles and crooks. Now, innovation leads the charge in modern-day pastoral care. In this new frontier of agriculture, these robotic shepherds are revolutionizing how farmers manage their herds. With the ability to monitor vast expanses of land, they seamlessly integrate advancements in real-time tracking systems designed to respond swiftly to animal behaviors. Imagine a farm where a farmer receives instant alerts about a sheep displaying signs of distress, allowing them to intervene promptly. This detailed oversight not only enhances animal welfare but also ensures healthier livestock, which subsequently leads to better yields and products. The advent of robotic herding signifies a shift from traditional methods to a future focused on precision and responsiveness, ultimately benefiting both farmers and the animals they care for. In the world of modern farming, one standout example is SwagBot, a remarkable invention from the University of Sydney. This advanced robot is not just about cutting-edge technology. It's also about efficiency and adaptability in managing herds across uneven landscapes. As it traverses rocky terrains, SwagBot collects valuable data in real time, ensuring that cattle remain safe and that the farm operates smoothly. Imagine a future where these robotic companions not only assist in herding, but also provide insights that lead to healthier livestock and more productive farms. This innovation is more than a gadget. It's a revolutionary tool that enhances the connection between technology and agriculture, creating a harmonious blend that promises to elevate farming practices to new heights. These advancements in robotic shepherding are just the beginning of a broader transformation sweeping through agriculture. As we look closer, the intersection of artificial intelligence with traditional farming reveals a unique opportunity for farmers to harness precise insights about their livestock's health and behavior. Imagine a world where not just sheep, but all farm animals benefit from such sophisticated monitoring, promoting enhanced animal welfare while also allowing farmers to optimize their resources significantly. This multifaceted approach ensures that farmers are not solely dependent on historical knowledge, but can now rely on data-driven findings, marking a significant shift in how agriculture is practiced. The combination of technology and farming augments traditional skills, creating an environment ripe for innovation and growth. Equipped with real-time tracking systems, these robotic assistants analyze the grazing patterns and health metrics of livestock, ensuring farmers can provide attentive care without needing to chase after every wayward sheep. With each movement recorded, farmers can fine-tune their husbandry techniques, allowing for a deeper understanding of animal needs that directly translates into more efficient management strategies. As the sun rises over the fields, these innovations light the way for a new generation of farming, where technology not only supports tradition, but also redefines it, creating a promising future for agriculture and those who rely on it. With these advances, farmers gain unprecedented insight into the behaviors and needs of their livestock, fostering a harmonious relationship that benefits both parties. These robotic systems don't merely replace manual labor. They enhance the farmer's role by providing data that informs and elevates traditional practices. Imagine a world where the farmer works side by side with technology, transforming agriculture into a collaborative venture that respects the nuances of nature while embracing innovation. This shift is part of a larger movement towards merging the best of both realms, ensuring a sustainable, more efficient future. With each technological breakthrough, we inch closer to a farming system that not only meets modern demands, but also nurtures the planet. In this rapidly evolving landscape, artificial intelligence has emerged as a game changer, transforming even the most routine aspects of farming. For instance, consider the introduction of AI-driven veterinary systems specifically designed for chickens. These innovations allow for real-time monitoring of vocal patterns and health indicators, ensuring that any signs of distress are quickly flagged. Such advancements not only bolster animal welfare, but also enhance operational efficiency on poultry farms, ultimately leading to better quality produce for consumers. In this new era of farming, the dialogue between technology and agriculture continues to evolve. As we embrace these innovative solutions, we stand on the brink of a future where enhanced efficiency and increased food security become the norm. By leveraging advancements in AI, robotics, and data analytics, the agricultural landscape is transforming, promising a more sustainable and interconnected approach to food production.